Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be making origami jellyfish. To create this model, I'll be taking 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper and keeping the white side on the top. I'll be starting with the plus crease. Then keep the color side on the top and create a cross crease. Then just push in the center and collapse the paper into preliminary base. Then bring these two sides to the center crease by keeping the closed end on the top. Repeat the same thing for all the four sides. Then bring this tip to this point and make a new crease. Make a sharp crease, open it, and on the same crease line fold it back. This is a pre-creasing, it will help in our next step. Open all the flaps and do the seam fold on this square. Now our model will look like this. Bring this tip to this point and make a crease. And on the same crease line, fold the flap inside. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Lift the flap and go according to this crease line. And here make a sharp crease, then flatten the flap as shown. Repeat the same thing for all the four sides. To create the curve shape, fold the triangles on all the four sides. Make a crease and open it and fold it back. Flip one flap and then take a scissor and cut on this line. Repeat the same thing on the back side too. Then flip it back. Now let's fold the arms of the jellyfish. Fold the flaps towards outside as demonstrated. Then fold it inwards. It will look much cuter if you draw the features on it. Here you can see the open ends. To make it neat finish, you can open the flaps and do the inside reverse fold on all the four sides. Origami jellyfish is ready. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.